Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energy starting from 11th till 17th of October. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, okay? And let's see, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading, okay? So to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's see what is there for my Libras starting from 11th till 17th of October. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Libra. So at the back of the deck, we have the Eight of Cups in reverse. You might be going through a process which you want to come into completion, okay? The completion will not happen by itself. You know that you have to move away from that situation, but somehow you are not able to move away. It's because somebody is trying to pull you back in that situation, or you yourself are not able to move on. You are also trying to move back. Basically, you're not wanting to move on, okay? So it could be either ways. In the past, we have Five of Cups, Four of Swords in reverse and Five of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so things went pretty bad in the past. You were feeling restless. There were a lot of regrets in the past, a lot of situations when we keep on seeing the negatives around us. We are not able to see good in ourselves in the situations around us. It could be you, it could be your person, it could be a situation in which you didn't see anything, okay? It was like no growth is seen. Things were stagnant and things were not good for you. You've always felt that there's nothing left of the situation and it's nothing now. You wanted endings, but the endings also didn't happen. So it was like nothing was happening. Stagnant situation, stagnant energies. In the present, we have Three of Wands in reverse, the World and King of Pentacles in reverse. I feel that you are feeling a little delay, okay, in something. It could be like things are not happening the way they should have happened, and you are in the mode of like, let's end this, but you are not able to tell the other person, because endings only happens when either two people come into an agreement or a mutual decision has been made. Sometimes you are wanting to go away from that thing, but there are more than two people involved, more than one person is involved in the situation. So just by taking your decision, just by doing something by yourself will not help that thing. You have to do some things mutually, okay? In the coming future, we have Nine of Cups, Seven of Swords and Queen of Swords in reverse. I feel that you are happy in the coming future. It's like you're showing gratitude. Your wishes coming fulfilled. You are really happy for whatever is happening, because although things were bad, the things for which you are happy were really bad, and that is why you are happy. Okay, so they were bad, but now I am happy that they ended. That is why you are showing gratitude. You are saying thank you to the universe. I see that you might be also manifesting this thing from the past, but in the present also you're keeping yourself very positive for this thing, but somehow negative things impact you. But you, because of that energy of being positive in the situation, it will always motivate you to just keep on making yourself positive. Okay, do not think bad of other people, just think good of yourself. This is what you are doing in the coming future. Let's do the clarification for my Libras. 8 of Cups in reverse. Why the 8 of Cups is in reverse? Sorry. Okay, so why the 8 of Cups is in reverse? Nine of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, and the Lovers. You have understood that every relationship is a give and take kind of a relationship. You just cannot keep on giving into a situation and do not expect any returns. But you might have done that thing. You might have tried to balance that. Okay, I am giving into a situation, I am giving love into this situation, and I will not expect anything in return. You might have thought about it, but it's just a thought. When we say like, okay, let's do not expect anything, but we expect. Okay, it's just you think about it, but you cannot work according to it. That is what is the situation. Okay, so let me see 4 of Swords in reverse in the past energies for my Libras. Okay, well, there are too many cards, but let's see what else we have. 10 of Wands, 2 of Cups in reverse. We have the Star, we have the World, and 4 of Cups. Things which have ended are really good for you. Okay, honestly speaking about it, Libra, things are ending for the best. You are wanting them to end, but this is like a new beginning to you. It's like an ending with a lot of heaviness in you, with lots of pressure, heaviness. It involves a bad relationship, bad partnership in which there was a situation. You have gone through a lot of things. You had high hopes in some situation that okay, this will be done and it will be according to what I am thinking. Everything will be done. We become really positive about something, but it's not actually positiveness. It is actually overconfidence sometimes, which we feel. You start feeling that things are going in your favor, but sometimes they do not go in your favor. It's actually the situation not going in your favor. It's actually going in two people's favor. Universe has to see everyone at a same time. So if you are thinking things are going in your favor, but the things were going in their favor, so it's a mutual agreement which we are signing. And that is why the universe is trying to tell you that do not become over excited about anything. Not be like, overconfident, over happiness, over excitement. That is the thing. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. The High Priestess. The Moon. Oh my God. Okay, with the 2 of Pentacles in reverse. I do not see the High Priestess with the Moon. Not good energies, honestly. I really do not like these two cards together. Some witchiness always comes with these two cards. It's like a witch. It's like somebody who is trying to manipulate something against the universe. You know what I mean? I don't know who did that, but somebody did that. Something. The devil also is here. See? Okay, so let's see. Why the world energy is here in the present? Five of Wands, the Temperance, and Ten of Cups. Temperance in reverse and the Ten of Cups. Okay, so whatever the imbalance is there, if this is a marriage, if this is a partnership, if this is a situation, whatever imbalances are there, I feel that there are many people involved in the situation. See, the universe is trying to tell you that things have to be done mutually. Okay, if you think that you are there, you will do everything, whatever you are doing, it will be fine. Whatever the other person is doing, whosoever is this person who is thinking that everything will be done by me, or because I am doing this and so stuff, everything will be like, in accordance with me. But no, the universe is telling you that, okay, keep on trying, but you have to do everything in a mutual basis. If I will give a judgment, the universe is saying that if the judgment day will come, things will be fine for both of you, not only just for one of you. I am really getting a strong vibe in your reading that whatever the things are, okay, happening in your life, they are happening because whatever has happened in the past, things were done on mutual basis in the past. Now in present also you have to do in a mutual basis, so that to make a very good future for both of you. If you think that you will just run away from the situation, you will just go away, no. The other person might run away, but you have to stay there. You have to fight it. Running away is not a solution, Libras, okay? I don't know who is this person. Is it a situation which is running away, or you are running away from a situation? But running away is not a solution. Tell me more about the Seven of Swords. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, the Emperor, and the Eight of Swords in reverse. See, you will come out of the situation. If you are thinking that you are stuck in a situation like this, if you are feeling you are stuck, you will come out of it. This is a self-realization energy where you start to feel that yes, everything will be done by plan. Whatever the universe has planned, it will be done by that. So if you are feeling stuck, you won't feel stuck for a long time, because happiness is coming towards you. Whatever you wanted is coming towards you, but things take time. The problem is the time constraint. Everything will be done according to the plan the universe has set. It's just the time constraint. Okay, Queen of Swords in reverse. Nine of Wands, Nine of Cups in reverse, and Seven of Swords. See, again Seven of Swords and Nine of Cups, although the Nine of Cups has come up in reverse this time. But yeah, it's more like a self-realization to me. When we do self-deception, it's more like, I feel today's energy, Libra, it's all about you, yourself. If you are taking a decision, do not go back in that decision. Do not start to regret that whatever decision I have made, it was wrong. Now I cannot do anything about it. No, you can do a lot. It's just stop manifesting the bad energies towards yourself. Stop manifesting bad. The good will happen to you. Okay, the way you want. Stop blocking people. Stop blocking the situations around you. Just let them free. Let yourself free. Say, so what? Okay, start saying, so what? Whatever will happen is a plan by the universe. So what? Okay, start saying that and enjoy the life which the universe has given to you. Stop thinking the negatives. You are very positive, and just let the positive energies also come towards you more. Wow. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.